Langley has been developing battery technology for um, earth breathing applications here, and it's called Earth Air Battery or Lithium Air Battery. Um, it's not too different from what the batteries are used in hearing aids. Uh, while they were doing those tests for the for airplanes, they realized that it didn't have to be Earth air crossing or being the air or the material that goes into this battery technology. They found that CO2 also works. So they're in the process of putting together a concept called a Mars air battery, so that it just recharges based on using the atmosphere of Mars. So that's one technology that might work. We're always looking for better batteries, um, and we'll always be pushing the envelope on that because surface power and rechargeable surface power, it that's going to be in high demand always, no matter where you are, even on Earth or Mars. So a lot of the things we enjoy here on Earth wouldn't necessarily work there on Mars because of the power station required to keep them operating. Um, so again, it's the mass. What does it cost you in terms of mass and power to put it to the surface? So um, just again, Google batteries for space or batteries for planet.